So the next question then was for maybe sales professionals like yourself, like business development professionals, or I think banking equivalent is relationship manager. In my head, I still go to like AE or account executive, whatever the equivalent might be for the banking side. If they were looking to make a similar jump from big banking to a community focused role, um, would that be a misconception that they might have about a smaller institution, that there's like this slower pace that goes along with the small FI and the community FI?
Yeah, I think that is a misconception. And I also think they make some assumptions that probably aren't valid as well. The pace is the same,
Right.
any organization, if you want to be successful and so forth. So the pace is the same. I would say how you allocate your time within that pace could be different because you might not have the access to the data and the tools as readily as maybe a larger organization. But that's not necessarily even true either, because lots of times at the larger organizations, a lot of folks don't know what they have and how to access it and how to leverage it. But usually, what I would say is the pace is the same. You just have to make sure you do a lot, have a broad scope to help you prepare as you do sales. In other words, your resources and tools. Your tools might look like a little bit more limited at a smaller organization, a community organization. However, your resources are greater in a lot of cases, and they're willing to help you, serve their clients. And so the pace is the same, but instead of maybe going and using a tool, you probably might leverage people more, which I think kind of goes into that whole relationship and community feel. So, yeah, there's definitely the pace isn't different.
Yeah, that
Definitely
makes a
not.
lot of sense.